Fencing supply and installation, Port Macquarie, New South Wales. With Port Macquarie experiencing significant population growth, now is the time to make your sea change with this profitable fencing business. With an outstanding reputation ensuring constant workflow, this is ideal for a hands-on owner or existing fencing business. Established in 1998, the business offers the perfect mix of residential, commercial and industrial customers. This unmissable package comes with assets valued at $175,000, including equipment, utes, trucks, trailers, forklift and more. With many new developments underway in the area, a hands-on owner could easily scale this business and grow revenue. The buyer will also enjoy an exceptional coastal lifestyle in one of Australia's most sought-after locations.